Now, hours after Telangana police sent a closure report on Hyderabad student Rohit Vemulla's suicide case, the state DGP has said he would request the court to intervene in this matter. Meanwhile, Vemulla's family met Chief Minister Revanth Reddy in the hope of getting justice.
Rohit Vemulla, a PhD scholar at the University of Hyderabad, ended his life in January 2016. 8 years later, the Telangana police filed a closure report concluding its probe. The police's investigation claims that Vemulla's suicide was driven by the fear of his true caste identity being disclosed, as he identified himself as belonging to the scheduled caste category. Protests have now broken out in Hyderabad over the closure report filed by Telangana police.
The Telangana police, instead of investigating into amendment of suicide and the prevention of SC/ST atrocity act, has gone in depth to assassinate the character of Rohit, his mother and Ambedkarite students in University of Hyderabad.
Rohit Vemulla's mother Radhika Vemulla met Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and appealed to him for justice in the case. In response, the Chief Minister assured her that the case would be reinvestigated.
క్లోజర్ రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చినాక మమ్మల్ని చాలా అన్యాయం చేశారనేసి నేను బాగా ఏడ్చాను. నా ఉసురు తప్పకుండా బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు తగలాలని నేర్చుకున్నాను. నేను తప్పకుండా తగులుదు కూడా. నా పిల్లోడిని చంపి ఈ రోజు చచ్చిపోయిన పిల్లోడిని క్యాస్ట్ అది కాదు ఇది కదా అంటమేంటి? అసలు ఆ పిల్లోడు ఎందుకు చనిపోయారని నేను కేసు పెడితే నా పిల్లోడు చనిపోయిన పిల్లోడిని క్యాస్ట్ కదా అని అంటమేంటి అసలుకి?
Rohit Vemulla's family has held the BJP responsible for the state they are in today.
BJP has in all the news channels saying that blaming Rahul Gandhi and Congress party only. Why didn't they ask the police how could you say that you not belong to SC? That is not the police work. That should come from the competent authority. The police work is to investigate how he committed suicide. That was their job.
Speaking exclusively to India Today TV, Telangana DGP Ravi Gupta said he would request the magistrate to permit further investigation.
No, the details are as per the notice only that we would be, there are some doubts expressed, so we will request the court to give us permission to have a relook and based on the results which come out, action will be taken accordingly.
Meanwhile, the BJP has targeted the Congress, accusing Rahul Gandhi of attempting to incite violence by claiming that Vemulla killed himself because he was a Dalit.
He actually perpetrated this problem, spoke so badly, spoke also in the parliament, dragged that unfortunate family onto the streets, should stand up before the entire country and apologize for having politicized this matter.
Due to the doubts that had been raised by the family members of Rohit Vemulla, a petition will be filed in the court seeking reinvestigation into this matter. It is to be seen as to what would be the facts after the Telangana police reinvestigates the matter, and the facts will be revealed in the present Congress government. With camera person Damodar, Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.